The Spiff app is built to make budgeting simple, clear, and truly effective. To get the best results from it, start by opening the app and connecting the bank accounts or cards you actually use for daily spending. This allows Spiff to automatically import your transactions and categorize them without manual effort. Once your accounts sync, head to the budgeting section and create spending categories that reflect your real lifestyle, essentials like food, transportation, rent, utilities, and personal categories like entertainment or clothing. Keep the list tight so you can actually track patterns instead of getting lost in too many labels. Set a monthly limit for each category based on your income. Be realistic here. Spiff will immediately calculate how much remains after each allocation, giving you a clear picture of how much you can save or invest every month. After setting your limits, enable the app's real-time alerts so you're notified whenever your spending edges close to a limit. This single feature prevents accidental overspending and helps you stay disciplined without constant monitoring. Use the Transaction Review tab at least twice a week. Spiff sometimes auto-categorizes incorrectly, so correcting these entries keeps your budget accurate. Over time, the app learns your patterns and improves automatically. Make sure to take advantage of Spiff's progress visuals. The charts and color bars give an instant view of where your money is flowing and which categories drain the most cash. This helps you quickly adjust habits before the month ends. At the end of each month, use Spiff's summary page to compare your budget against actual spending. Identify 2 or 3 categories where you can cut down in the new month. Redirect the freed up amount into Spiff's savings goal feature and watch it grow consistently. Using Spiff this way keeps your financial life organized, helps you stop wasteful spending, and turns budgeting into a smooth, automatic system.